It began in New York City. A new idea for sound reproduction, never heard before. An idea that grew into decades of award-winning, high-performance amplifiers, each designed, crafted, and tuned by the world's finest engineers, artisans, and sound masters, all in creating the most musical sound.
Integrated AV receivers are commonplace in home theaters, and for good reason. They're a great single box solution, but they're not the ultimate solution. That belongs to component audio, or separates. Marantz took the concept of component audio and added reference quality video management. Today, we offer some of the world's most capable home theater preamp processors. It seems like HDMI standards are changing daily. 8K resolution, increased HDCP standards, and more vivid and capable HDR are just part of the constantly evolving HDMI landscape. Our engineers relentlessly test the latest standards to ensure the best picture quality and reliability. But our true passion lies in audio. Our two AV preamps adapt all of the qualities of our highest-end integrated AV receivers, but without the added demands of built-in amplification. This reduces power constraints and enables internal component positioning for minimal electromagnetic and radio frequency interference. Both units offer standard RCA outputs, along with balanced XLR outputs for every channel. Balanced connections work by comparing a positive and negative version of the signal and removing anything that is not identical, also known as noise. This means the amplifier is working with the cleanest possible signal from the preamp. On the flagship AV8805A, we lower the noise floor even further with a highly rigid copper-plated chassis with a three-piece top lid design. This high-mass bodywork reduces unwanted vibration. Copper plating also provides the best grounding connection regardless of the location on the chassis. This significantly improves the signal-to-noise performance. In addition, a toroidal power supply replaces the EI transformer. This provides maximum current to the main capacitors with minimal distortion or interference. The transformer is positioned on an extra 5mm aluminum pedestal for increased stability. Finally, the hyperdynamic amplifier module layout shifts to a board with 15 individual HDM modules. This allows for maximum channel separation, providing reference quality audio performance.
Marantz preamplifiers combine world-class audio with state-of-the-art video for the ultimate home theater experience. Both AV preamp models feature 8K HDMI connectivity, 8 HDMI inputs, and 3 HDMI outputs. The extensive feature set also includes HEOS streaming, dynamic HDR, voice command, quick media switching, Odyssey Multi-EQ XT32, and HDM with current feedback technology. The AV7706 is an 11.2 channel surround sound processor. It features Dolby Atmos and Atmos Height virtualization technology, along with DTS-X, DTS Virtual X, IMAX Enhanced, and Aural 3D. The AV8805A steps up to a 13.2 channel surround processor. It's built on a copper-plated chassis and utilizes a shielded toroidal power supply. It allows for 5-channel bi-amp processing and adds DTS-X Pro, as well as a single balanced XLR input.
The Marantz line of AV processors are designed to handle the demands of home theater and multi-channel applications, but also shine in a reference stereo setting. These processors are just as comfortable feeding a 13-channel dedicated theater system as they are delivering an audiophile-quality signal to a 2-channel listening room. Because music matters, Marantz AV processors continue our long tradition of delivering a best-in-class listening experience in both music and cinema.